Hi, friends, and we are here today for our writing lesson. Today, we're going to write about all about our family. Yesterday, you took home a new booklet, and you also have your sight word cards. Okay, so I have my sight word cards all ready to get our writing started. And so on this first page, I'm going to think about the sentences that I want to talk about in my book. Okay, so on this first page, when talking about my family, I'm going to write about my mom and my dad. Okay? So I'm going to draw a picture of my mom and dad. Okay? Make sure they have some hands and some legs. So I'm going to write the word dad. Okay? And then I'm going to draw a picture of my mom. That way, when I go back to write my sentence, I know and I can remember what I wanted to talk about on this page. So I'm just going to do a quick sketch of my mom and dad. Okay? And on this next page, I want to talk about my sisters. Okay? So I have 3 sisters, so I'm going to draw their pictures. Remember, this book is all about your family. So I'm going to talk about my family. Okay? So I have one sister, my second sister, and then I have the other sister. Okay? And I know how to write their names, so I'm going to go ahead and write them so I remember who they are. Okay? So there's my sisters. And then on this last page, I'm going to talk about my house. Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture of my house. Okay, so this is the house that my family lives in. So since I'm talking about my family, I can talk about the house. Okay. Alright. And then I might put in a driveway. Okay. And then I can go back and add detail when I'm done. Okay, so remember, on this first page, I wanted to talk about my mom and dad. So I'm going to use my sight words to make a sentence. I can see my... That's where I'm going to come in and write dad and mom. Okay, so I'm going to write dad and mom on this page. So down here at the bottom, I can see my dad and mom. Okay, and I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sight words. Okay, so I know how to spell the sight words because I have the sight word cards with me. All right, who remembers what's on the next page? Oh, it's my sisters. So I'm going to use the same sentence. I can see my sisters. I can see my sisters. And then on the last page, we're going to talk about my house. So the same sentence. I can see my house. Ow, ow. We haven't talked about the ow sound, but I know it has an O. Ow. I can see my house.